But this lace, can we talk about this lace though? Can we talk about it? Hi, my name is Princess Darling Girl Yvonne Bayabloa Udegwe Gloto, short for PG. Welcome to my channel. Yes, girl, let's get to making this wig. So I bought this wig from AliExpress. It is 8 inches and it's 13 by 4 lace front. I bought it $61. It came with a cap. So I'm using this Claro BW2 bleaching powder and Claro Pure White 40 developer. So I put like 2 scoops, I wasn't measuring, but 2 scoops of it and a little bit of developer and mix it to my liking. So as you can see, I part this section I was gonna bleach from the others and I spritz it for a little bit of water so I can pick up that little pieces of hair so it won't be all over the place. And then I start to bleach it, baby. I start to bleach it. Listen, sis, you just gotta wash this. Try not to bleach your scalp or your lace, you know? Try not to bleach it. That's it. Now, if you successfully bleach your lace and left it in for like 10 minutes, this is what it should look like. Well, your lace or your hair, your wig, you know what I'm saying? It should look like this. If not, you need to redo it over. Hello? Since that was one of my angels, you know, they like to fly and do angel things, especially when I'm working. Anyways, take your baby hairs out and just fix it. So now I'm just over here, you know, flat ironing or bumping the end so it will look like a bob, you know. That's the reason I bought it, because I wanted an 8 inches bob. Now I'm just carefully, precisely cutting the lace. Most people like their lace on their head before they cut it. As for me, I've tried that and it didn't work for me. So this is what works for me. Whatever works for you, do it. Glue. My mirror is right here. Like I'm looking this way. Cotton balls. I'm tired. Did I just put shit in my eye? You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Oh hell no! Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh, it's so fantastic. Can you imagine? I'm on Barbie, let's go party. I don't want to not explain, but I feel like you guys are seeing what I'm doing, so you will likely know what I'm doing and do what I'm doing, so you can get the most flyest lace ever, the bombest lace ever. But I still feel like I need to come to explain. You know, does it make sense? So this is what I look like when I first cut it. I sprayed it with a little bit of Got to Be glue spray. Press the rest of the lace down forward like so. So now we put some foundation on the lace to make it look like skin. Whatever it takes. Put some foundation on the lace too because it's white, not brown. Cut out the ear portion. I'm using the Ghost Bond Classic for my laying. Listen, I love this glue. After applying it, lay it down, like spread it around. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. It's so fantastic. Can you imagine? You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. In your imagination, imagination. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh, oh. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie girl, in a Barbie world. I am plastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. When you're laying your lace, what you want to do is press down and then scoop forward. Press down, scoop forward. Press down, scoop forward. So it will be as laid as it can be. Press down, sis, and scoop forward. After laying your lace, it's gonna look white like that. But to get it melted to your skin, you bring the Gotta Be spray, sis. Not the Gorilla glue spray, okay? You see that? See that? Look at that. Spray it. Spray it. There you go. Spray. You get my point. This has to be tight, so you call for help. Hello? Help me! Oh. Don't let this come off, okay? Hold this part. Hold this, just this part. Okay. Hold it. Alrighty. Oh, thank you, my dearest.
Bye, my dearest.
Wait for 25 minutes. It's time for baby hair. Do your baby hair as you please because it is going to be on your head, nobody else's. So do it as you would like, okay? But this lace, can we talk about this lace though? Can we talk about it? My makeup is a hot mess. It was done in 5 minutes. Give me a break. Okay, you guys, so here's the wig. Okay, you guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more fabulous wigs video. I know it's been a minute since I've brought you a makeup tutorial or a wig tutorial. I've seen everybody been doing this 2 screen of brown black look, so I've decided to try it and see if I like it. And this wig that I use it's cool. The thing about the wig is it's wide inside but it's not deep. That's why it was giving me a hard time at the beginning, but after I figured it out, it was okay. Here it is. Can't complain. You just gotta know how to lay your wig correctly and you'll be good. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment. I already said that, right? Follow me on my social media, guys. Please follow me. And I want to thank you all for really subscribing to my channel and also following me on my social media. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Remember, you're not poor. You're just broke. Peace. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social. Okay.